Okay, who out there is a perfectionist? You know, I have to smile when I ask you that question because in many cases I am, and I wonder if you are too. Well, welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments, my 2 to 3 minute podcast. I'm Nancy Myrland, your host. And, you know, I just posted a video today, a brief video, and I posted it all across social media. And it was about how to prepare for Zoom or Teams or any other virtual video environment. And I have to tell you, when I was watching it, I kept thinking, oh gosh, I started a word over, and should I redo that? Should I edit that out? Should I make it sound better? And I laugh when I do this because I often tell myself what I remember to tell you, which is not to worry about it all the time, because in my attempt to help others understand how to be conversational and natural, then that's okay to be natural and conversational and to trip up on a word. We would do that like I'm doing right now. We would do that in conversation with people. Not that every audio and video production that we make or post that we have is supposed to be extremely casual and conversational, but casual and conversational, yes. And I'm not saying they're identical environments is what is a better way to put that. But what I am saying is that don't worry about taking out everything that doesn't look or sound right. Number one, if you do it in video, it's going to be so choppy that it will even defy the current trend of lots of choppy videos, which actually is turning into not a trend, by the way. And so it's okay, especially when you're doing short, just messages to people when you want to tell them something, just a quick lesson or even if it's a long one, because sometimes if you have a long video or a long podcast, the chances of adding in a couple slip-ups here and there or just a couple of pauses or giggles, when you say something silly, that's normal and it's okay. And it helps people understand what you're like. So when you have that urge to be a perfectionist and you want to send either your file back to whoever's editing or you want to do it yourself, if that's the way you do it, then just take a moment, take a deep breath, maybe laugh at yourself for a second and say, do I really need to have that cleaned up, or is that just me? Am I still professional? And if I am, then maybe it's okay to show my personality. All right, let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'm at Nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. All right, I'll see you later. Don't worry about some slip-ups and conversational tones. You take care. Bye-bye.